Welcome back for another video of the week. Today we're actually going to do something a little more exciting. We are going to start taking body parts off the RX-7 and going to see what actually lies underneath. I tried to take that fender off last week, and I think what I'm going to have to do is take off the bumper in order to even access that. Like you guys saw in last week's video, I actually busted one of the bearings, not bearings, but bushings, I guess, that gets the motor to flip up the headlights. So that's awesome, but we're going to take off the bumper, take off the fender, take out the tail lights, take off the rear bumper, and see where that gets us. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. A little bit of a change of plans. I'm gonna actually take advantage of this nice hot day to wash this thing off and then get into taking parts off the car. Probably be about a 2-day thing. Obviously there's sections where the windows are open and there's holes in the sunroof. I gotta be a little bit wary and careful of that, but I'm going to hose this thing off, get it cleaned somewhat, spray out the engine bay, and see where that takes us. So we're gonna do that for right now. I'll get you set up and you can watch me spray this thing off for the first time ever. Alright, so the hood is now off. In the last clip I turned the camera off because I was not sure how the hood was gonna play out when I did take it off. So I didn't want to capture anything that was super sketchy, but here we are. No hood. Sitting down on the ground over here. That is good news. I'm going to take this off next, and maybe even this here, this little crash bar. Take off the buckets and see where that gets us. So let's continue on. And check out what I picked up. A couple of new door cards. New to me, I guess, but they're probably going to need refinishing because of all these little holes that are in here. But two of them, pretty good condition. And they are the later gen style, so they don't have issues with the sun burning through the top of these. So we'll check out what I got today, which is lightweight flywheel and the automatic counterweight. And actually the purpose of the lightweight flywheel is for everything to get moving a little bit faster, obviously, even though it has an automatic counterweight, which is a little bit heavier. It seems counterintuitive, but it actually does help. Help keep everything balanced out and still get a little bit of extra high revving action going on. So that's exciting. I also got new door cards like I had shown you, but let's go ahead and continue taking some of the front end off of this car. The camera died on me while recording whatever the last piece was, which should have been taken off the fender, and I did get that off. I took the headlight bucket out and the bumper, so the hood, the fender, the bumper all came off, in addition to everything else. As you saw, there was tons of bolts that got snapped off, like the head snapped off the bolt like completely. So that was exciting. It's gonna need a lot of work. Got a long way to go before we start seeing some real progress, I guess. So it is what it is. We'll get there, but thank you guys for watching this video. We will catch you in the next one.